you go. This just never fooled me. There you go. He's a good size. He's a good size. What up? Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day today. So I'm going back to the creek. Hopefully I catch a fish. It's early morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Like what kind of lure I want to try. But I just want to catch a fish. There is a creek behind me. Probably some top water. That sounds good today. I don't want to throw swim bait. Like no, and I'm not gonna do swim bait, but I got this. I got the rod and reel, so I have to tie this mega bass now. So I guess that's gonna be happen. I mean, put you down here. There you go. So yeah, swim bait fishing are so addicted. I can't put this down. I have to bring this. I have to try this because it's a cool bite. It's so excited whenever you got a bite on a swim bait like this. So you guys can't see me. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So addicted, this one right here. Yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna catch a fish, some nice one, but for sure I'm gonna try top water. So back with my BFS stub right here. I got me a popper. As you can see, this is from Mega Bass. The tiny popper, the small one. I'm so excited to try that one. So yeah, let's get to the water. Enjoy the action, guys. Hui. All right. You know what? Let's try some top water first. Hopefully the fish excited like I am. So this small popper. This should be good enough for him. No, you don't get snake right there. There you go. Shoot. That was a dangerous. All right. There you go. This just never fooled me. There you go. He's a good size. He's a good size. I'm telling you guys. Whew. Oh, another giant. Oh, giant. See, they won't get any top water as soon as I throw this. You stay, buddy. Yeah, I got you. As soon as I throw this mag drive. Alright, there you go. So 6-inch mag drive. You see that? He's not big, but he's long. So yeah, by the fish of the day, this mag drive never fail me. Always. There you go, buddy. Go ahead. You know that you can swim, right? You know what I mean? Like just push yourself a little bit. Go ahead. Come on, good boy. Come on, big boy. There you go. Go ahead. Why take you so long to get in there? There you go. Thank you, buddy. Whew. So I'm throwing the popper exactly right there, and then I don't get any bite. Just throw this mag drive, and I got him. He's a nice size though. So yeah, I think that I'm gonna keep going with my mag drop for a little bit, and then trying any other lure. I know there is some small fish right here. I want to catch that small fish too, you know what I mean? I don't want to get just one big and that's it. No, at least I catch a couple. So yeah, so the mag drop, you can't go wrong with the mag drop. So by the way, I changed the handle. No, not the handle, the knob, just the knob on this SLX. I use this Gomez's power handle. It feels so good, it feels so comfortable. So let's try it. Let's see if there is any other big fish around here. So the cool about this big swim bait on a creek like this, it's not just catching a big one, but also pulling out the fish from the cover, from their home, so you know there is a fish right there. That's what I found out a lot. I will got a lot of small bite on this, and then I knew it, there is a fish right there, and then you can switch to other lure if you want to. So yeah, that's the cool thing about this, I guess, on a small creek like this. So I've been trying a popper, it doesn't work. There you go. Finally got one on a swim bait again, baby. It's never pulled me. I love this lure. You stay, buddy. You stay. I got you. I got you, baby. Up. A little bit smaller than the last time, but nope. You stay. You stay. Hoo-wee. So I'm gonna talk a little bit what I did to this swim bait. Maybe you guys get some ideas what I'm doing with this. I need my pliers. My alarm on. Let me turn off my alarm first. So there he is right here. Nice chunky smallie. Thank you, buddy. There you go. Don't splash me. He broke me off, or I cut the line. Golly. There's lure right here. Let me clean this first. There you go. So guess I need to retie again. I think I cut my line whenever I took the fish off. So what I did to this swim bait is You see that right here? You see the orange color right here? So I put the tie. I have some kind of tie fly tie thing. I put orange color right here, the bright one, not that thick, and then I put some UV resin. Just put it here and cure it. It's not gonna be affect anything. I still got the magnet right here, and so the point of this is the fish has a target where they have to grab my lure. So I think it's just work. Doesn't affect the action or something like that. So yeah, it's been awesome. Let's back to fish. I need to retire this again. So if you guys wondering what kind of knot that I'm using double San Diego gem, I believe what it's called. So I see a hold on, Taylor Bass Fishing XQ on YouTube. He do a bunch of tests of what kind of knot that what is the strongest knot with the fluorocarbon, and he found that one, double San Diego gem. So I've been using that knot since I used this swim bait. So seems like work. I don't have any problem, and easy to tie this knot. Doesn't take like a long time or complicated. Yeah, so we keep going with this swim bait right here. Ooh, I got one. Finally on top water. He was hiding over there. I saw that small blow off, and then I'm just like, okay, there got to be fish right there. There it is. Tiny little guy. Hope you guys can see it. Got to put this down a little bit. There you go. So yeah, finally first fish on top water. Just one. Tiny little guy. Thank you, buddy. Calcutta. My bad. We got a school bus right here. Hold on. Some kind of spot for myself. Wow. 1, 2. There's 2 big school bus right here. I don't know who lived there right there. Right. Let's do it again. Right here first. Yeah. Golly. How come? Okay, I think I got those. I got the lower back. Tie in a little bit. Ooh, there's a fish. Come on, buddy. You got it. Oh no, my drag. I got him. On that rig. Tiny little guy just changed the lure to a net rig. Give him a crow. Not excited. There he goes. Tiny guy. Golly. Look at how cute this is. A black net rig. None of the lure was giving that fish reaction. other than this net rig. That's weird. Oh, he missed it. Yeah, come on, buddy. You got it? There you go. Got you. Got you. Got you. There you go. Finally on that rig. Whew, it's been a long time. No, I think I'm never so net rig. Be honest with you guys. Not that much. I use a Helgomite all the time, but not to this. Oh, no. There you go. I'm come back here again to this spot because I want to go home. On the way back home, and then I see a couple of fish right there. Was chilling out, and I tossed this net rig, the black one. Seems like they like it. That would surprise me. Whew. Oh, feels so good. Got to be more right there. So I catch small one earlier here on my popper. I didn't know there is another big one right there. There is a fish. There you go. I don't feel there was a fish. Oh, it's come up. Buddy! You got it. Bye, buddy. Thank you, though. Oh, wow. I don't feel there was a fish. He just swallowed it and then stared at like that. I don't feel there was a bite. Kali. Ooh, that is a fish. Come on, buddy. There, you got it. Oh no. Oh, why? Dude, that's how small you are? No, he's here. He's on the whole time. He's on. He's came off again. Bye, buddy. Thank you. Oh, wow. What's wrong with my hook set? Let me fix your angle guys a little bit. There it is. I know, it's just been weird. I got him. Like he was like fighting it. It's not read so bad. Huh. Okay then. Ooh, yes him. Oh no, I'm not. God dang. That was twice. What are you doing, boy? There you go. Ooh, nice one. On a night rig, baby. No, you stay, buddy. No, you stay, you stay. You stay. No, you stay. You stay. You stay. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, I don't think this is the same fish that I catch earlier today. But it looked like it. Golly. Go, you stay. No, no, no. Alright, there it is, guys. Another giant. Hey, buddy. He's long. Whew. I don't think that was the same fish, but I feel like it. Because the way that I catch him was like the same place whenever I catch that longer fish too earlier today with the mega bass mud giraffe. So, oh, there's fish again. Come on. Nope. See if there is any other fish down here. Nope. So yeah, that was nice. On a net rig, baby. Yeah, I've never fished net rig before. Be honest with you guys. I do have a couple net rig, but I've never thrown net rig. I got hooked with a calcutta. So every time I go to the creek, I will catch a calcutta, not a net rig. I feel like I don't think the fish gonna eat this steak because there is no action there. It's just stick like this. Just broke. Yeah, doesn't look like anything either. So I don't have really confidence to throw a net rig. So apparently today is the day. So there is a time maybe to fish my net rig, and yeah, this is a lot easier to find, a lot cheaper. Why not? All right, it don't have to be complicated. Wow, there you go, everybody. That's it for today. Yeah, it was hot, it was good. I catch a fish on a lot of things today. I got on top water, like I said earlier. Apparently I don't catch a lot of fish on the top water. I catch a lot of fish on a net rig. So from seaman, that was good. And then the swim bait. I'm not gonna put that down. I like that. I can carry 2 rod and reel. That's good for me. 1 swim bait and 1 BFS. So I'm good. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's hot. I'll see you later. Ciao.